Okay, hi, I'm Collette from Perth, and I've just completed Stuart Zadel's Success Accelerator program here in Sydney. Coming into the event, I knew I had major fears and major blockages, and I was determined I was going to smash them. There was apprehension, I had a lot of fear, and I could feel it. It was really tangible. And Stuart's process and getting you through. And the emotions and the highs and the lows and the excitement and the energy was just amazing. I really loved the gentle strategies that we got to work through to just smash through it. And I really feel like now I've just got this spirit and this energy, and I just can't wait to just take it in life, smash my goals, and just continue to just let the energy and the spirit out. I'm so excited and I'm so grateful. It's just amazing. Thank you, Stuart.